Social media is an essential part of your online marketing strategy. These platforms can expose your business, product, or cause to a huge audience. Now you can embed your social media channels inside your MailerLite campaigns, giving your subscribers the opportunity to virtually follow you everywhere. Embedding a social media post of any platform in MailerLite follows the same principle. Look up the social blocks in the menu, choose a block, add the link, save, and you're good to go. Here I'm going to choose these social icons, drag them into the document, click the edit icon, and add the links right here. If you want to add more social links, click on the Add Another Social Link button. Use the drop-down to choose which social platform you wish to add, and then click Save. To add a social media post, let's go back to the menu, choose Social and Sharing, and let's add a Twitter post. Click the edit icon and add your link right here. Facebook and Instagram follow the same principle. Drag the block into the document, click the edit icon, then add the link, and don't forget to save. In case you want to use an image or a screenshot of a social media post instead of using the social blocks, select Content. In the drop-down menu, drag an image into the newsletter. Click the edit icon, browse for images from your file manager or upload from your computer, insert the screenshot, and here you can add the URL of the social post. You can use this method for any post from any social media platform. Don't forget to save, and you're good to go. Easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.